Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome. Well, the time has come for the first fully general public flight into space with Virgin Galactic. We will go live from midnight tonight. And it's a special event because it's going to be... oh, hello, we've got a new member just come in right there.
Has become a member.
Hey, Chris, welcome to the family. And as we go live tonight at midnight, in fact, it'll be slightly earlier, but the advertised time is midnight. But for those of you that are really keen and want to get in on the chat, we're going to start around about 10 o'clock this evening, which is Central Time, which is 11 p.m. Eastern Time, to give you a little bit extra time because we want to be part of this historic moment. We are going to give away an opportunity for you to win $200 in cash as well. We're going to have live analysis, live charts, live phone-ins, telemetry from the flight. We're going to have everything you could possibly imagine. It's going to be a very, very exciting day. We're going to cover it all live, and we're hoping that you'll be involved with us throughout the evening. And the reason why we want to go early is because we've got 24/7 trading on Robinhood now, and we can see how the markets are moving. So if SPY goes down or Tesla moves down, Virgin Galactic is not yet available for 24-hour trading, but many of the other stocks are, and it will give us indication of where it's going. And also, if we get any news throughout the evening from any of the guests on board, I will have those tweets. It'll come out for you. So there's a lot going to happen throughout the night. So you want to be joining us. Now, last time we did this, we had 23,000 people join us for the live event. So you want to be involved in it to know exactly what's going to happen and be part of history. And we're also going to obviously be trading and investing with it throughout the evening as well. All right. Now, today's show is a very short show. There's a very good reason for that. We're not going to make the closing bell because on the bell, it is, I've forgotten the name, Plug Power's earnings, and it's one of those things where they're going very, very early. We've never had this before, but the earnings is at 3 p.m. right on the bell. So that's why we started this show earlier, and we're going to finish it a few minutes earlier so we can go straight over to Plug Power. After Plug Power, we'll edit the video, put it up as its own video, and then we'll get ready for the competition, which starts at midnight tonight. If you've not yet bookmarked this competition page, here it is. You don't want to miss it as it goes live tonight, giving you an opportunity to win $200. There'll be extra features throughout the first opening hours to give those of you that want to get in early the opportunity to win extra tickets. You know, that's the thing. Those who want to get extra chances to win can join in early to give yourself more chance. Here is the giveaway page, martynlucas.com. It's always there. /giveaway. It goes live in 10 hours from now, as you can see. All right. Very, very good. Very excited. All right, now then, if you want to be in the launch as well, this video will go live here as well. Let me give that to you. It's in the chat, pinned to the top, but also it is here as well. There you go. And this is the flight we're going to bring you tonight. Here it is. There it is on the screen right now. There we go. We've already got 10 hours early. 2 people waiting for it to start. How fantastic is this? 12 likes already. We got a new member, Chris Boshoff, has just joined as well. He's part of it. There he is. There's Chris Boshoff. We hope he'll be here today so we can upgrade his account. Very, very exciting evening planned, and it's going to be an all-nighter. So get ready for a very, very explosive evening. I hope you all enjoy it. It should be a great, great evening. One for the books, right? One for the books tonight. Let's hope so. There it is. You see the countdown to the launch, and there it is. And you can see there's an extra couple of hours because hang on, I'm just trying to think. Why is that? What's the countdown for that? 13. I'm just looking at that thinking, shouldn't they be the same time? They should be, shouldn't they? I'm just thinking, why are they different times? That's to midnight tonight. I don't know why that is. Why is that? It should be the same time. Let me just check something a minute. Yeah, I mean 2 o'clock. Right, countdown 2 o'clock. That'll be 10 hours. Oh yeah, 2, 3. Yeah, that's. Yeah, I know why. That makes sense. So that should be the same. I don't know why that isn't. Yeah, 10 hours. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There you go. That's it. That's to midnight tonight. And for some reason, that's saying 14 hours. An extra 4. Why would that be? 4. I don't know why that is. I'm going to change that. That isn't right. I don't know why that is. Let me fix that. I've just realised that. I don't know why that is. Okay. It should be the same. Okay, here we go. It's a clock. Countdown to a date and time. Okay, here we go. August the 10th. August the 10th at midnight. There you go. That's more like it. August the 10th. It's coming through. There we go. Change that to 00. Beg your pardon. I'm just doing some adjustments here. That makes sense. There you go. They should be the same. I've no idea why they wasn't the same. I've no idea why they weren't the same. Anyway, they're the same now. Confusing. Anyway. Oh, it's the clock. Bottom is the clock. That's the time, right? That's the time. That makes the set. Right, okay, fine. I've just thank you. It's the clock. That's why. There we go. Thank you. That's the clock. There's nothing like live TV, is there? There's nothing like just confusion, total confusion. That's the clock. I like how you're telling me what that is. Anyway, what a load of confusion that was. Bottom is the clock. Niels, thanks, mate. You need to be sitting here with me in the studio. The bottom is the clock. I was thinking that can't. Why is that wrong? Right. There you go. Plug earnings today. Yes, plug earnings in 45 minutes, actually. It's the clock, not a countdown. Niels is going, we love. Delph is going, we love you. He's confused. Caden Youngquist, they're all confused. Don't worry about it. It's live TV, isn't it? God, that wasn't embarrassing at all. Nah, nothing to see here. Virgin Galactic. Oh, well, you'll have to rewind it and find out what happened, won't you? Supercar Blonde is streaming Virgin Galactic tomorrow to the masses tomorrow, so it'll likely pump. Supercar Blonde is streaming Virgin Galactic tomorrow to the masses tomorrow, so it'll likely pump. Who's Supercar Blonde? We're all going to be here, Max H. We're not going to be what? Who's Supercar Blonde? Who's that? We're all going to be here. When is the space launch? Are you having a laugh? When's the space launch, Caden? There's a bloody great... Look, what's this? Space launch. Unbelievable. He didn't live in Texas too. I know. And it's not even 1400 for me. No. And he knew it was the time. See, Niels is like, even though that's not the time for me, I knew it. All right. Yeah. Satay, I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. I do apologise. Supercar Blonde is famous. I don't care. She is cool. I don't care who she is. This is the Virgin Galactic channel. I don't care. Supercar Blondie is old news. There you go. Delph, you tell them. Supercar Blondie, who the hell's all that about? What? You're just going to waltz on in the last minute and go, right, I'm going to do Virgin Galactic better than anyone? I don't think so. I've been going live for 2 years now for this moment. You get out of it. Ooh, you ain't got a bloody chance of that. Right. Okay. She's cringy though. There you go. She's cringy. I don't even know who she is. She probably doesn't know who I am either, but I don't care about that. Right. Okay, let's go for our positions. Palantir today, down. Gold, down. Everything's down today, eh? S&P has gone back up again. Amazon's gone back up again. Apple gone back up. Next year energy, green today. Enphase. Check me out with me Enphase. Told you, didn't I? Oh, yes. Today, I've made $100 on it. I am up today from 25% down at one point a week or so ago. Bought some more. Now down just 16. Enphase Energy having a rebound. She'll bring in the pumpers, says Max H. Well, I hope she does. She needs to call in my show. She's going to be on a show. She needs to call in my show, really, to be honest, doesn't she? Don't she? Anyway, good evening, everybody. She's getting paid well to stream it. Oh, I see. See, no one pays me. No one pays me. I just live on the memberships. That's it. The $2 a month from 180 people. That's it. That's my income. I don't care. I'm happy with it. Coca-Cola up today. J&J Defensives up, but it's just gone back down again. Ken View, we're getting ready for the split, right? Chevron, I can't wait to get out of this. I just feel like, what's the point? There's only one God. That's our Martyn. Not Supercar Blondie. There you go. She has 14.5 million subscribers. Bloody hell. 14.5 million? Still don't know who she is. Hey? It's like that when you get older. You just don't know anybody. Me and Leah were talking about it last night. Let me tell you how it is, right? Let me tell you how it is. Caden Youngquist, you'll like this because you're a young man. When you're your age, because believe it, once upon a time, I used to be just like you, just as cool as you, exactly like you, at home in the bedroom there doing my thing. Oh yeah, just like you. And when you're your age, you've got the pop stars and the famous TV personalities and YouTubers and stuff like that around your age. A little bit younger, a little bit older, and they're all the rock and roll pop stars because you're rebellious and you got to pick all the stars around your age. Your parents don't like them, right? But you've got all these stars, whether it's musicians, singers, TV personalities, whatever, people online, all around your age, a couple of younger, a couple of older, but they're all around your age, right? And then you've got the golden era. You've got what your mum and dad like, right? And they like all the Hollywood superstars that you think of the golden era, the real, famous. It's not really your thing. For me, when I was younger, it would have been Elvis Presley, the Beatles, Bob Hope, all these people on the telly that my parents liked, right? So they were like Marilyn Monroe, the golden era, okay? So you knew about them, and they were like these big superstars, but you wasn't really into it, but they were like the real big superstars, right? And that's what happens when you're between 18 and 40. And as you go to 40, 50, what happens is now you're my age, 54, right? All the big superstars, all your parents' superstars, they've all died. They're all dead, right? They've all finished, right? So there's no rock star, right? Unapproachable, above it all. Your parents liked them, so they were the real Hollywood, the real classic stars. They've all died out. So around my age, right? You've also got stars dying out. You've got we had Michael Jackson a few years ago. We had Sinead O'Connor recently, and Prince, and everyone around my age starts dying out. And then you've got all the younger ones coming up, which we've never heard of. Never heard of any of them. So it's like, who are all these people? All right, who are these? And you're not interested because you're just not paying any attention, right? You're not interested. And that is how, as you go through life, always think about it. That's how the older people, and I mean the people now in their late 70s, 80s, 90s, start feeling, because I'm not there yet, but I'll be getting there soon, right? That is how they feel disconnected with the world. Because everyone they admired as a kid, everyone their parents admired, the real famous people, they're all gone. And everybody under them, they've never heard of. And it's loud, and now you feel irrelevant. And I've got lots of old friends who feel like that, and it's what happens. People start feeling irrelevant and nothing matters anymore and stuff like that. So just bear that in mind. You're in a golden age right now, Caden. You're in a golden age. You've got the pop stars below you, around you, your parents' stars. You got the golden age. And as you get older, you'll become like me, miserable old sod, everybody dead. Nothing to look forward to. You came here today for some good positive spirit, right? You got that all right? Bloody hell. Right. Let's have a look. She knows Dubai billionaire cars, basically irrelevant to space. There you go. Oh, yes. Oh, I know who you mean. I've seen that woman. She always does fancy cars. I hate it. I absolutely hate the videos. Yeah, I've seen that. Is that the woman? She's a good-looking woman. She's got long blonde hair. She's a good-looking woman, but she's always getting in supercars, and it's always just the most ridiculous, over-the-top supercars. I find it boring. I look at it and go, I'm not interested in this. I think it's rubbish. And now she's going to talk about Virgin Galactic. Do you know why that is, right? You know why that is? It's because the people at Virgin Galactic thought, we're sick of this Martyn Lucas getting all the numbers. 23,000 more people watched the last flight with me than any other YouTube channel, right? Sky News had a YouTube channel. It had less people watching it on their YouTube channel. BBC on their YouTube, not on the TV. Don't write in and say Martyn Lucas said he got more views than Sky News, BBC. No, on their YouTube channels, because they have YouTube channels too. I got more views for the flight than Virgin Galactic during the live flight. Oh yeah, 23,000. So tonight, let's not let Super Blondie with her cars and all the rest of it just steal the limelight. Let's not have that. Let's get together, share it, put it on your social media and say, oi, go into her channel and go, oi, why is everybody watching it here? She doesn't even care about Virgin Galactic. She just wants to make more money. Right. All right. So come on, get it together. Caden says, yeah, there you go. Max H said she knows Dubai billionaire cars, basically irrelevant to space, unlike Martyn. There you go. She's got nothing to do with it. Don't watch it. Right. I wish her the best. I do, honestly. But not as much as me. I don't wish her as much best as me. Right. I'm not like that, says Caden Young. What are you not like? Hello, family. What advice that is. Bravo. Stuart Kitcher. Was it advice, though? I don't know if it was advice, Stuart. It was just a life observation, really. It's just life observation, you know? Just, I don't know. Enjoy life while you're young, because it gets worse. You think life's tough when you're 18? Trust me. Try and get out of bed when you're 50. My mate's 18. He says to me, Martyn, in fact, he's 85. He says, Martyn, you don't know what pain is yet. You know your bones are all aching. Trust me, when you're 85, your bones really ache. Your bones ain't aching. You think they're aching, but they ain't. I thought the flight was at 4 p.m. UK tomorrow, not 9 hours time. So Ty, what's happening is, right, because of Blondie and her supercars and all that stuff, you know what I mean? We want to bring the family together, right? So the flight is actually at 10 a.m. Central Time, which is 4 p.m. tomorrow. You are absolutely correct. That is when the flight goes up. But we're investors. We want to know what's happening throughout the night with the news. We want to know what's happening with the stock market, 24/7 trading on Robinhood. We want to know what's going on Twitter. We want to build the community. We want to be talking about the stocks. We want to be getting involved with the stocks. So we're going from midnight tonight. So we're going to be there for the build-up because we're more committed. We're more involved. All right? We're more into it. We're not just coming for the glory. We're not just coming. We're not just rocking up, sat on the beach all day, and Blondie comes out of her Lamborghini and goes, I'm just going to stream it now. No. We're going to go live early because we are the family, the Virgin Galactic family. So, think on. Hey, Queen, how you doing? Love this philosophical talk. Martyn is a celebrity trader. Anyone above 10,000 following the investment field is famous. Hey, I didn't know this. I'm going to read it again. Martyn is a celebrity trader. Anyone above 10,000 following in the investing field is famous or a celebrity trader. You heard it there. You heard it there from a young man. Did you hear? I got tingles down my spine. Did you hear that? Anyone above 10,000 is famous. I'm going to keep that. How can I keep that? Hang on a minute. I'm going to keep it. Look, this is what I'm going to do. Control Shift 4. I'm going to take a photograph of that. I can do that. See, I can take a photograph of that. There you go. I've just taken a screenshot of it. Brilliant. Right. That's why I said she's cringy. There you go. Martyn is a celebrity trader. Anyone above 10,000 following in the investing field is famous. There you go. Should we have a quick look should we have a look and see how famous I actually am? All right, because not really, am I? Let's have a quick look, shall we? All right, let's go over here. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10,082. 10,082 now, Caden Youngquist. Forget the 10,000 thing. We're 10,082 now. Let's not mess around with these numbers. Right. We all look up to Martyn. He's our idol. Billy Idol. Bone Idol. Yeah, Bone Idol's what I am. Please don't watch her for the cars. No, people don't watch her for the cars. Is that right? They don't. Oh, I see. You like her because she's good looking, is it? Oh, I see. So if I had long blonde hair, you'd prefer it, would you? Yeah, that's her, Martyn. You're not missing out on nothing important. Mullen announced not again. Not another reverse split. You are kidding me. No way is Mullen doing it again. That is ridiculous. You are having a laugh. Mullen is splitting again. Oh my God, I can't take it seriously. Mohammed, they can't keep reverse splitting. It's ridiculous. The company isn't worth anything. That's crazy. She is going to bring in the young millionaires to buy tickets from Virgin Galactic. What's your take with Disney earnings, mate? I haven't got any thoughts on it. What we're doing, Kryptonite, did you see earlier? We're going to start doing features on new stocks, new ideas, new stocks, all the rest of it. And you can vote on what you think is the best stocks. Now, if you look here, down here on the homepage of the YouTube channel, here it is on the shorts. I've put out these shorts today. Can you see them? They're only short because they're shorts, right? It's a good name, isn't it? They come up with on YouTube. And I'm asking you what you think of these stocks. Look, we've got Rocket Labs, Rivian, Plug Power, Space. Hang on, that's not right. That's yesterday. I got to refresh this. Let me refresh it and do it again. There you go. I thought that was funny. Right. There. Can you see it? These. And you vote on them. Apologise for the silly faces. That's just shorts. You can't do thumbnails, right? Caden will tell you all about it. You can't do it. He knows all about this stuff. So if you go onto the shorts, right? See here? I should have done that in the first place. Did anybody see any of these? I got no comments. Did anyone see any of these? I put a little surprise in and no one commented. Anyone? No one? You can't imagine how upset Leah is. You've got no idea. She's crying for days now. Right? Look, can't believe it. No one commented on... I put something special in here. No one commented on it. I can't believe it. Anyway, these are the shorts. We're having a vote. The ones that get the highest numbers and comments and likes, we're going to start buying some new stocks, reviewing deep dive stocks. All right? Okay. Anyway, there you go. Let's go back to what's important, making money, right? I hear you, says Satay. All right. Dubai money, there it is. In my opinion, Mohammed, Mullen can't do a reverse split until they're between 20 and 30 cents. So I do see a pump right before the split. A split now does no good. They would fall below $1 quick. That happened last time. There's no way anyone can tell me now Mullen has got any value at all, right? It's an absolute joke. Who's the blondie streaming the flight Virgin Galactic paying her to do it? Yes, probably. I don't know. Space is going down. I know everything is going down right now. This is not a stock related issue. Everything's going down. Of course they're going to pay her, but that's nothing compared to how many people with money she's going to bring in. Some of the top traders on YouTube are only in the 100,000 followers, so you're close to being up there. Caden, you're damn right, mate. Did you know I have 38,000 followers on TikTok, and I don't even stream live there anymore for now. I'm working on something better. That's why I'm not there for now. I haven't given up on it. Virgin Galactic is doing a lot of promo videos on social media. The live stream looks to be no different than the last one, however. Could we get a message to them to show us a control room in action? Trust me, I've spoke to them. Trust me, I'm on that. Don't you worry about that. I like them. Nice one, Caden Youngquist. Good man. Good man. Thank you ever so much indeed. I'll be listening to Disney then back to Martyn for plug. Yes. Is that Sooty Teddy in there? Finally, someone's paying attention. Gosh, Sooty. It's not bloody Sooty. It's Sooty. It's Snoopy, innit? Snoopy, innit? It's Leah's little stuffed animal. You've got no idea. That's like Leah's best friend there. Look, Leah wouldn't come on the camera, so she decided to like come on with Snoopy. And no one commented on any of them. None. Really upsetting. She's been crying for days about it. Couldn't believe it. Yeah, do you see it? All these. Loads of them. Anyway, there you go. Great shame. Great shame. Right, where are we? Martyn deserves more likes here. Come on, hit the like. I know, 21 likes. What's going on? Thank you, Kryptonite. Are we buying more? Are we buying before the market explodes tomorrow after the CPI? This is what's happening right now. It's all about the CPI. Do you think the CPI, inflation's gone back up or coming down? I believe it's coming down. I am sticking to it that we are winning the war on inflation. In the UK, they're now bringing the interest rates down for mortgages. I think we're getting there. And I think what's happening now, the markets are selling off to buy back and pump it all up tomorrow. So it wasn't enough for me to sell off and buy cheaper. I'm just holding my positions and whatever. Took some profits from Tilray, as you know. Was that sweep from Sooty? No, it wasn't bloody sweep. It wasn't sweep either. I watched all the videos and I still don't know how to enter the giveaway. George, this is just for George, right? Right, George, this is how you enter it. Look here. Look here. It tells you to go to this page. Done it. I've even given you the link. It goes live in 9 hours. The reason why you can't enter, George, is because it hasn't gone live yet. That's why. It goes live at midnight tonight. That's why, George. Look, there is the link in the chat. When you go over here, midnight tonight, you will see all of these. You probably can't see this because this is what I see because I'm running it, right? You'll see all this. You don't see it yet. And you can get 50 points for visiting the website. You can get 1 point for using Twitter. You can get all sorts. All of this you'll see tonight at midnight. All right? And it'll all make sense. You'll go, oh yeah, I get it now. It's because it hasn't started yet and you can't see it yet. That's why. Even Bill can do it. Do we see Virgin Galactic price before launch or the usual dump on launch day? Honestly, I think the bottom is $3 on this stock now. I've revised up since I heard the earnings. So I don't think we need to go any lower, to be perfectly honest. Remember, volatile stocks sell off more when the markets are down and they go up more when things are good. That's basically what is happening right now. So anyway, that's what I think is going on. All right. Okay, thanks. I'll be there. George, he's got it now. George is there. George Otter T, he said, I'll be there. Don't you worry. I'll be there. I will have every single ticket available. Some of you will enter it and go, I can't be bothered with this. I just want one ticket. But remember, it ain't like the lottery where you've got to pay for a ticket and go, I can only afford one ticket. You can have as many tickets as you want. They're free. And the more things you do, the more tickets you get, more chance you can have a winning $200. Brilliant, isn't it? You don't even need to be a member. It's something I'm doing for everybody because I'm nice like that. All right. Yeah, see, Bill's got it. Patience. You just got to wait. You got to wait. All things come to those who wait. If you don't wait, what do you get? Nothing, because you haven't waited. That doesn't even make sense. Anyway, Palantir. Right, guys, we have got to end the stream now. Half an hour before the bell, because we're going over to the plug earnings. Here is the plug earnings. And here it is. There's the plug earnings, right? In the chat, right there. This is where we're going in a minute. Right? Not there, not there. Hang on, where is it? Where's the plug earnings? Oh, another subscriber. Not there, not the views. Plug. Here we go. Let's bring it on the screen. Yeah. That's where we're going. Bloody hell, there's 7 likes already. Hell, it's going to be popular, look. Mate, it's getting better every day, isn't it? So anyway, that's where we're going to be. Okay? In a minute. So we've got to go there, because you never guess what, these flipping plug people, they decided to have an earnings an hour ahead of everybody else that does it. Yes. Unbelievable. 3 o'clock, which is in half an hour. So I've got to go there now to start it early. I'm very disappointed. Very disappointed. I thought, what do you mean? What do you mean you're going early? Anyway, all right, let me buy some PLTR before the bell goes. Let me have a look. Yes. 16% down now. Bloody hell. I could buy some. If I wanted to sell my Coca-Cola, I could buy some. But I don't. All right? I could sell. I've got enough. I don't see any sense in unbalancing the portfolio. Because look, I'm up on Coca-Cola. Got $3,000. What I could do is buy some and then pop it up and then take some trim off the top. Sorry, Martin, you need to tell Leah that it's definitely sweet with the suntan. Hey, she's had Snoopy since the day she was born. I ain't saying nothing. All right, it's Snoopy. That's it. Don't sweep. Sooty and sweep. It does look like sweep, doesn't it? It does. I thought that. Anyway, Martin, at what price would you buy back some Tilray? At what price? Well, to be honest with you, I'm still bullish on it long term. Again, I'm not buying the stock price, am I? I'm buying the company. I still feel bullish on the stock. It's just that it doesn't make any sense to buy it now when I can make more money in other places. But yeah, I would like to buy some more. To be fair with you, anywhere around here is an entry point long term, isn't it? It's still a $6 stock. It's still a $40 stock long term with the cannabis thing. That hasn't changed. That's just not their focus right now. So because that's not their focus, it's not the focus of my money. My money is somewhere else, doing something else. So anywhere around now is a good buy. If let's be honest, Rocket Lab's popped up now, made me 10%. Virgin Galactic tomorrow makes me 10%. I will trim off some top and I'll buy around here. So I'll keep an open mind on it. I like the company. I like what they're doing. It's just not the right time right now. Right, we got to go. That's what I thought, Pete. Defo, Sooty and Sweet. Teddy, Coke is going down anyway. Right, Sooty went to space with Artemis. Snoopy did. Right, okay. Time to go. We got to go plug. Sorry, guys, we got to finish early. It's because it's Plug Power is going early. So this video will go directly into Plug Power. Here is Plug Power's earnings. We're going to be there early. So let me just tell you what's happening for the last time. Here's Plug Power in the chat. We're going to go there now. Okay. After Plug Power, I'm going to edit the video and post it. Then you're going to start seeing some competition videos coming out for Virgin Galactic. It's scheduled tonight at midnight in your time zone, wherever you are in the world at midnight. There's already 13 people liked it. Doing good, right? The link's in the chat. You can go there now. It will go earlier. And between me and you, just me and you, not to anyone, I can go live from 2 hours earlier. So whatever time it says, I'm going to go live 2 hours earlier. The reason for this is we want to get 23,000 people in. We had that many last time. This time I'm expecting it to be better. And at the end of the day, it will only be better if all of you do one little thing for me. If all of you, when it starts, join it, click the share button. Let's promote the hell out of Virgin Galactic. Let's get it to go nuts tomorrow. Forget the blondie woman who's just getting paid to do it. I'm doing it for bugger all. I'm doing it for nothing, right? Let's get it going. Everyone click the share button, send it everywhere, and plug in your devices and have it going live from 10 o'clock tonight, right? Which is in 9.5 hours from now. And let's get it going, okay? And be in it all night. The reason for this is 24-hour trading, news, stuff like that. And by the morning, let's have 20,000 people ready for the flight. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's get the whole world watching it, all right? Let's have it. Let's have the greatest ever video in the history. Mr. Beast would love this. He would love some. Mr. Beast, he gets 100 million of views. He would love this. This is good. This is better than that, right? So let's get 100 million views. Like Caden Youngquist said. Like Caden Youngquist, Martyn is now a celebrity in the investment space because he's got 10,000 subscribers. Not that many have got 100 and he's on his way. So bear in mind what a young man just said, Caden Youngquist. He knows. Listen to him. He knows what he's talking about. He's in with the kids. He's down with technology. All of that. Right, here we go. Got in to make 40% already on Tilray. Share it. Okay, ready? I'm out of here. Let's go. So we got to end. Plug power. See you back in a bit. And then the competition. You've all got the competition page, right? You all know martynlucas.com/giveaway. You got that right? Here we go. I'm going to see you in a bit. I'm going to see you in 5 minutes for the plug power. There's the link. There's the thing there. And if you want some new stocks in our show, new stocks, all right, on the homepage of the channel, I've done a new feature. Oh, and on Friday, we're doing it on Friday at 9 a.m. Central. It's phone-in, video phone-in. It's a new feature starting on Friday. We did a poll this morning. 10 of you wanted to do it. So we're going to do it on Fridays, every Friday, if it works. If it's rubbish on Friday, we won't do it again. All right? We won't do it again. But we're going to give it a go. We're going to have a live phone-in, everyone together, discussing what we did during the week and what we're looking forward to next week. But if you want the new stocks, go onto the homepage. These are the new stocks I put out today. They're all little shorts. We got Nikola. You asked me to do it, so now we'll find out how popular it is. GoPro, SNDL, Fuel Cell, DWAC, Kronos Group, AMC, Canopy, and Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Watch the shorts, 10 seconds long, share it. Reply. The top ones we will start featuring on the show. If you don't do it, too bad. You had a chance. Right, I've got to go. Pete, what did Pete say? Yes, Pete. Would you take offense if we put Blondie on the screen and listen to your commentary? That's nice. It's nice, isn't it? You just, because she's pretty. That's all it is. Just got more shares of space. Can't wait for the flight. Advice Net. Join us for it. Right, we're now going to finish. See you back in a minute. We're going over to Plug Power now. See you back in a couple of moments' time on Plug Power for the earnings. We've got to go right now. They're going early with earnings. I have to cover it. And then after that, the build up and it all kicks off. You ready? I'll see you there in just a couple of minutes' time. In the meantime, take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and each other. Be there. Don't miss it. We're going to break records. It's going to be great. We're going to have 30,000 people watching live. 30,000. We had 23 last time. 30,000. See you in a bit. Bye-bye for now.